Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enroll in the Apple Developer Program. First, decide if you need an individual or organization account, as requirements differ. Next, gather all your personal and business details, including legal names and addresses. Finally, ensure your Apple ID is set up with two-factor authentication for security and to proceed with the enrollment process. To begin, go to the official Apple developer website and sign in with your prepared Apple ID. Once logged in, locate the Account section, which is where you will find the option to start your enrollment. Carefully fill out the application form, providing all requested information accurately to avoid delays in your application.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: as a developer, you're busy, so make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for quick, healthy meals. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
After submitting your application, you will be prompted to pay the annual program fee, which is currently $99. Once payment is complete, Apple will review your application. This review process typically takes a few business days. You should expect to receive an email confirmation regarding your application status shortly. Congratulations, you are now enrolled. Your next steps involve accessing Xcode and other essential developer tools. You will then need to create the necessary certificates, identifiers, and provisioning profiles for your apps. With these in place, you can officially begin developing, testing, and preparing your applications for distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.